Hello everybody, how are you today? Good. So I want to show you how you can get rid of my dc07 versus the Dyson ball allergy. So the reasons why I bought this dc07, it is looking pretty old, but it's got dirt in it. But yeah, it is pretty old vacuum. I bought it in 2015 when I first bought it. I bought it in 2015. I bought the Dyson dc07. So it's mine now. I bought it and I had it in the loft for 7 years. For 2 years ago. It was 2 years old. I had it for 4 years. in the lofty. That is so good. It's pretty good vacuum. So this is my dc07 allergy. Right. First, I'm gonna remove the bin. So this one. Then you can take the filter off. There we go. It is pretty dusty. It is pretty dusty. As you can see, I'm gonna have to vacuum it. Ew. Do you see this, guys? Very dusty. Oh dear. So I'm going to... Okay, we're going to take the bin off in the cyclone unit. Then we're going to get this off, just like that. It is looking a little bit dirty. I think I need to give this thing a vacuuming with my bowl. Nice some small bowl allergy. So I'm going to take this thing out. I'm going to take the hose, the wand off. Then I'm going to plug it in like it needs to be. Okay? So this one is going to be, we're going to show you how to do it. So this is pretty dirty, unfortunately. Yeah, it is. But I'm going to show you. Do you see this, guys? I'm going to do it. Stay tuned until the end. there you guys have it. Do you know this? You see? Do you guys see this? Right. Okay. Next. It is pretty dirty. Like as you can see. I'm going to wash it. But I won't be doing this video. So, but anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next week. Bye bye.